It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Step into a holiday wonderland at the VanDusen Festival of Lights, celebrating its 40th year with over 1 million sparkling lights across 15 acres of magical gardens. Running from November 29th to January 5th, this iconic event is packed with dazzling experiences, from the mesmerizing Interactive Mycelium Installation to the stunning Salmon Run and the crowd favorite dancing lights, with shows every 20 minutes. Tickets range from free to $28, making this enchanting experience accessible to all. Savor festive treats from local vendors, enjoy a sensory friendly night on December 3rd, and take advantage of sustainable features like zero waste stations and bike parking. Whether you're snapping photos, soaking in the season, or enjoying holiday treats, there's something for everyone.
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with sunny as your home.